Hello. Today we're going to be talking about how body language explains more about a person's message than their words will. Body language is a key part in conversations throughout the day. Body language can also play a large role during a presentation. What someone is saying might not mirror the way that they appear. Some people sit with their arms crossed, which is a sign that they feel defeated, while others appear to be more confident, which is why they make themselves feel larger by spreading out and making their arms wide. The person in this video appears to be making himself look smaller. He seems defeated, which you'll see in a minute. He starts out by first walking up slowly to the stage where they are conducting interviews. He slouches in his seat and seems to cross his arms. This can be two things. Either he doesn't want to be there, or he is very uncomfortable while they are interviewing him. When he answers questions, he looks around at the crowd and shrugs his shoulders. This shows to a viewer that he would probably want to be doing something else. He is constantly touching his face. This shows that he is uncomfortable. It might be a tic. Body language will tell more about a person rather than their words. While he is answering questions, he is nodding along and being attentive to the audience. This provides a sense of connection with others in the room. The use of eye contact is a positive form of body language. Eye contact allows the audience to feel like they are the only person the speaker is talking to, even when it is not the case. Eye contact provides a sense of personal feeling and gives people a better understanding of what the speaker is saying. He doesn't use his hands to emphasize talking points. Some people use their hands in order to emphasize something. He only uses his hands to touch his face. And his shrugging seems to act as a barricade against the press asking questions. A lot of the time, his shrugging is connected to a question that he either doesn't want to answer or doesn't agree with the way that they asked. This separates him from the press.